Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update on what is shaping up to be a very interesting weather week for us. We'll have pretty quiet weather today and should have comfortable temperatures today through Wednesday, but Wednesday evening, that is when a strong cold front will be moving in, so likely looking at some heavy rain Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, and then as the cold air gets here behind the front, there will be a changeover into some sleet, some snow, even some freezing rain, and it's looking more and more likely we will see some accumulations, especially in the northern Arklatex during the day on Thursday. So some high impact weather on the way for the middle of the week. First things first, for your Monday, 30s and 40s to start out, so you'll want the jacket this morning and should be comfortable this afternoon. Mid to upper 60s for us, which is a few degrees lower than yesterday, but overall pretty enjoyable range of temperatures for us today. Now there is a weather disturbance out here in central Texas, and that's going to be scooting basically directly to the east here, so most of the rain will stay down along the coastline, but we'll be close enough to this disturbance today to likely pull in just a few rain showers south of I-20. So going through time in your Robinson to Futurecast really shows the clouds increasing through the morning and the afternoon. Notice a few of these rain showers may make it as far north as the Red River here, but the steadier rain likely to stay south of us, so I really don't anticipate we'll see much in the rainfall today, in the way of rainfall today, but likely we'll see some rain through the middle of the week. Again, looking at the potential for a pretty strong system to impact us here as we move through the middle of the week. So we're picking things up here on Wednesday, and you'll see this heavy rain begin to move in Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Threat of any severe weather looks relatively low at this point, but we may see a good 1 to 2 inches of rain here, and then as that cold air arrives behind the front, you see the pink showing up there. That would be a mix of likely some sleet, some ice pellets, some freezing rain as we go through the morning on Thursday, and as the temperatures continue to drop and that precipitation lingers, you can see that changeover into some winter weather as far south as some of our deep East Texas counties, as well as the Shreveport-Bossier area. So again, Thursday, potentially a high impact weather day for us. Looking at some of the ice accumulations here, this is the biggest concern for us, that we would see some kind of freezing rain here, and you get about 1/10 of an inch of ice, which is what we're showing in center and points to the north here. That can be pretty crippling. It can cause some power outages as well as some roadway hazards, and we're showing accumulations of maybe 1/4 inch of ice here across the northern Arklatex. Just want to stress that we are 3 to 4 days out from this happening, so there will be some changes to the forecast, but again, we are monitoring that potential for some high impact weather, winter weather on Thursday morning. Not only that, but you can see some of the rainfall totals here. This will be the 7-day totals for us, which would take us through next weekend, but again, most of this rain will be coming in Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Good 1 to 2 inches of rain with some isolated pockets, maybe 2 to 3 inches of rain as well. Of course, some of that precipitation changing over into that winter weather. And look at the temperatures. We'll go from 70 on Wednesday, dropping into the 30s on Thursday and possibly Friday as well. So some cold weather to wrap up the weekend as we head into the upcoming weekend.